In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your citation style in your Word document using Zotero. First, open Microsoft Word and the document you want to work on. Make sure the file is saved because Zotero will update fields in the background as you go. Next, look along the top ribbon for the Zotero tab. Click it to reveal the Zotero toolbar that controls your citations and bibliography inside Word. If you're just getting started in this document, click Add/Edit Citation. This is the button you'll also use to insert sources, and it's what prompts Zotero to link the document to a citation style. When the red search bar or classic citation window appears, you may also see a dialog asking you to pick a citation style for the document. Choose your preferred style in that dialog. You'll find popular options like APA, MLA, Chicago, and many others. Pick the one your instructor, journal, or organization requires. This choice controls how in-text citations and the bibliography are formatted throughout the document. After selecting the style, click OK to confirm. Word will refresh any existing citations, and if you already have a bibliography inserted, it will reformat that too. You might notice a brief progress indicator. That's Zotero updating every field to match the new style. If you decide to switch styles later, that's no problem. Click OK on any prompts to proceed and let Zotero finish its update before making more edits. To explicitly change styles at any time, stay on the Zotero tab and choose Document Preferences. This opens the same style selector you saw earlier. Select a different style, review any style-specific options, and click OK. Zotero immediately reformats all citations and your bibliography to the new standard so you can compare results and ensure everything meets the required guidelines. A couple of quick tips while you work. Always insert and edit citations using the Add Edit Citation button instead of typing them by hand, so Zotero can manage and reformat them correctly. If you don't see the Zotero tab in Word, save your work, close Word, and reopen the document. The tab should reappear once the plugin loads. And remember to keep your Zotero desktop app open while working, so your library is available for searching. That's it. You've changed the citation style for your Word document with Zotero and know how to switch it again whenever requirements change.